Welcome to our step-by-step guide on downloading TikTok videos without watermarks. TikTok has taken the world by storm, but many find those pesky watermarks annoying. So, why do users prefer downloading TikTok videos without watermarks? It's all about aesthetics and sharing. There are several methods to download TikTok videos without watermarks. Let's dive into each one. First, we'll look at using online tools. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Next up, let's explore mobile apps. I'll demonstrate some popular ones that work great for downloading. Browser extensions are also a fantastic option. Let me show you how they function. Here are some tips to ensure your downloaded videos maintain high quality. It's essential for sharing and enjoying. While downloading, it's crucial to consider the legal aspects. Always give credit and understand the terms of use. If you run into issues during downloads, here are some common troubleshooting tips to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button for more useful tutorials.